The República Española, Spanish Republic, pistols were manufactured in the town of Alginet, Valencia, in 1937, in an arms factory that depended on the Ministry of War's Sub-Secretariat of Armaments. The creation of industries aimed at supplying the forces determined to defend the legitimacy of the government of the Republic, which as of February 3, 1937, confiscated the entire industrial sector linked to the war, except located in Catalonia, organized by its autonomous government, the Generalitat de Catalonia. On August 7, 1936, the Generalitat had created a Commission d'Industries de Guerra, War Industries Committee, in the project to adapt to the production of military equipment, the factories and workshops of the chemical and metallurgical industries. This commission was formed by an iron and steel delegation, organizing the production of weapons, ammunition, fuses, and armor tractors, a chemical delegation for the manufacture of explosives, percussion caps and detonators, and an aviation delegation for aircraft construction. The organization of the industries confiscated by the government of the Republic delayed until June 28, 1937, when the three delegations of arms of the Ministry of Defense, Center, North, and Catalonia. The process ended on August 11, 1938, when the war industries were intervened dependent on the Generalitat in order to centralize their management by a National Council of War Industries, created in October 1938. The war ended 5 months later, on April 1, 1939. More than 15,000 were made, mostly for Ejército Popular Republican Army. These guns, that are an Astra 400 copy, are better than Escaso, but lower made than the original Astra 400.